Looking for the perfect brew every time? The best kettle for tea combines quick heating, precise temperature control, and stylish design to elevate your tea experience. Enjoy effortless pouring and savor the rich flavors with ease and convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kosori Kettle for Tea. The Kosori Kettle for Tea is a stylish, precise, and functional choice for anyone who takes their tea or coffee seriously. With its 5 one-touch temperature presets, this electric gooseneck kettle ensures you get the exact water temperature for different brews, whether it's delicate green tea or a bold pour-over coffee. The temperature accuracy is within 5 degrees F, eliminating the guesswork and allowing you to bring out the best flavors in your beverage. For added convenience, the hold temp function keeps water warm for up to an hour, perfect for leisurely sipping without reheating. Built with an ergonomic design, the Kosori allows for controlled pouring thanks to its precision spout and counterbalanced handle, making it ideal for pour-over coffee lovers. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel for the interior, lid, and spout, it ensures no plastic taste will interfere with your drink. This kettle also features a handy ready tone that beeps 3 times when your water is ready, with the option to turn it off for a quieter experience. Safety is enhanced with automatic shutoff, and the durable build promises long-lasting performance. Aesthetically, its sleek, modern design looks great in any kitchen, and it comes gift-ready in elegant packaging, perfect for tea or coffee enthusiasts for occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. Easy to use, accurate, and built to last, the Kosori Kettle for Tea makes your daily brewing ritual smoother and more enjoyable. Number 2. Whistling Kettle for Tea. The Whistling Kettle for Tea brings classic charm and modern efficiency together in a durable stovetop design. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this 2.2-liter kettle has a generous capacity suitable for families or entertaining guests, ensuring you always have enough hot water ready. Its induction capsule bottom means it heats quickly and works efficiently on all types of stovetops, gas, electric, or induction, making it a versatile kitchen staple. The loud and clear whistle signals when your water is boiling, so you can step away without worrying about overboiling. Its German-engineered design combines functionality with timeless style, blending into any kitchen decor seamlessly. The ergonomic handle offers comfort while pouring, with the added benefit of being fixed in position for a steady grip, though it's important to note that the handle does get hot, so using a pot holder is recommended. Built with food-safe, BPA-free materials, the kettle is rust-resistant, ensuring it will last for years without affecting the taste of your water. It's completely plastic-free for those seeking a pure brewing experience. The mirror-polished exterior resists stains and adds a professional look to your kitchen setup. Perfect for making tea, coffee, or simply boiling water for cooking, this stovetop kettle combines practicality, durability, and a hint of nostalgia. For tea drinkers who love the traditional boiling process but want dependable modern construction, the Whistling Kettle for Tea is an excellent choice. Number 3. Govee Kettle for Tea. The Govee Kettle for Tea takes modern brewing to the next level with its smart app and voice control features, making it one of the most convenient kettles available. Compatible with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it offers a stable, distance-free connection that lets you control your kettle from anywhere in your home. Whether you want to schedule a boil or set a precise temperature, the companion app gives you full control with ease. The kettle has 4 easy presets for brewing tea or coffee, allowing you to fine-tune water temperatures from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The Keep Warm function holds the desired temperature for up to 2 hours, ideal for those who enjoy multiple cups without reheating. With a rapid boil 1200W element, it heats 0.8 liters of water in just 3 to 5 minutes. A ready tone alerts you when the water has reached the preset temperature, and you can disable the tone through the app for a quieter experience. The gooseneck spout design ensures a controlled, steady pour, while the counterbalanced handle provides comfort and stability, making it perfect for pour-over coffee enthusiasts. Safety features like boil-dry protection and automatic shutoff are included, along with high-quality 304 stainless steel construction for pure taste and durability. This kettle not only offers unmatched precision, but also blends beautifully into any kitchen with its sleek, modern look. For tech-savvy tea and coffee drinkers who value precision and convenience, the Govee Kettle for Tea is a standout option. Number 4. Vianté Kettle for Tea. The Viante Kettle for tea is an Italian-designed electric glass kettle made for connoisseurs who demand precision and style. This versatile appliance includes an integrated infuser allowing you to brew large amounts of loose-leafed or bagged tea directly in the kettle. Alternatively, you can heat water without the infuser for coffee, French press, or cooking. Its precise temperature control caters to various tea types, white, green, oolong, and black, ensuring that each brew is prepared at the ideal heat to bring out the best flavor. A 30-minute keep warm function lets you enjoy your drink at leisure. Made from borosilicate glass, 304 stainless steel, and BPA-free plastic, the kettle is both durable and safe, resisting scaling and corrosion when properly maintained. The clear glass body allows you to watch the boiling process, adding a touch of elegance to your brewing experience. This model also doubles as an iced tea brewer, providing year-round functionality for both hot and cold drinks. Its sleek, contemporary Italian styling makes it a visual highlight in any kitchen. Cleaning is easy thanks to its wide mouth, and its compact base keeps the cord neatly stored. Whether you're brewing a delicate jasmine tea or a robust breakfast blend, the Viante Kettle delivers consistent results with a touch of luxury. For those who appreciate versatility, precision, and aesthetic appeal, this kettle is an excellent choice. Number 5. SUSTEAS Kettle for tea. The SUSTEAS Kettle for tea blends vintage charm with modern electric convenience, making it a beautiful yet highly functional addition to any kitchen. Constructed with a full 18/8 stainless steel interior, including the spout and lid, it offers excellent durability and a pure taste without any BPA contamination. The exterior is coated with electroplating paint that's both scratch and wear resistant, ensuring it stays looking elegant for years. With a capacity of 1.7 liters, this kettle can boil water in just 5 to 6 minutes, making it faster and more efficient than most stovetop kettles. Safety is a priority, with built-in automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection. The one-touch switch features a handy LED indicator, making it easy to operate even in low light. The design incorporates a vintage-style thermometer, allowing you to monitor water temperature visually, ideal for tea enthusiasts who want precise brewing control. The ergonomic, heat-resistant handle ensures comfortable and safe pouring, while the honeycomb filter and V-shaped spout provide a concentrated, drip-free pour. The lift-off lid and wide opening make cleaning simple, and the stable, non-slip base doubles as a cord storage solution. Combining a timeless aesthetic with reliable modern performance, the SUSTEAS Kettle for tea offers both beauty and practicality. It's perfect for tea lovers who value design, safety, and efficiency in their daily brewing routine. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.